Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast. Today we're featuring a 2000 Porsche Boxster S. It's a clean title, clean Carfax car. It's a California car. It's got 37,000 miles on it. Had an MSRP of a little over $61,000 when it was new. We can finance it through Cuddle. We can put an extended warranty on it, and we welcome trades. If you're familiar with the Porsche world, this is a first generation Boxster. They were introduced into the US in 1996. The S is a 6-speed with a 3.4, I think, liter displacement engine, and the non-S is a 2.7 and is a 5-speed. We really like these for the price point. The mid-engine car and driving experience is remarkable. So the wheels and tires, all the tires are new. The wheels are in good shape. The body and paint is really clean. It's always been garaged. The top's in good shape. All the lenses, lights, headlights are in good shape. So this is a Tiptronic. This is an automatic. We typically buy manuals. We just bought this because of the condition we like. It's got a bunch of carbon fiber interior trim. And you can see cosmetically it's super clean. So these went through a facelift in the middle 2000s. And then they were completely redesigned, I think it was 2012. The Boxster of today's generation is called the 718 Boxster. So, and is quite a bit different and has gotten very expensive. So you can see cosmetically really clean. Headlight lenses are clean. Not a lot of, so it looks like the one on the passenger side may be new. There's just some very mild oxidation on the right, which is an indication, and that's what typically happens with these over time. You can see the rest of the paint and body's in good shape. The top, it's got a blue top. One of the things we liked about this car is this bunch of carbon fiber trim on it. So that's the rocker panel inlay there is nice. You have two-tone door trim, so gray and black. You have leather seating surfaces. You also, if you're not familiar with this, there's a cubby hole back here. This is typically where the owner's manuals are found. So super clean. So the steering wheel, you can see a carbon fiber trim on the brake handle and the shift knob and the steering wheel. Those were all, I believe those are all listed on the window sticker. So this has got a bunch of equipment on. It's got sport package on it. It gets a premium package, and then the carbon fiber stuff. Let's go through the rest of the interior. So passenger side door is clean. There is some wear on the driver or the passenger side seat. Most of the seat's in good shape. The dash is clean. So I'm going to start this real quick. So I'm going to put the top up. So this is your top operation. So this is obviously down, that's up. So I'm going to hit this. It takes about 7 seconds. Now one of the things you want to pay attention to on the top for a Porsche is if you click this mechanism into place before it's done, it'll leave your top light on. And so you want that to complete and finish. You'll hear it stop operating, and then you slide that in. That turns the top. There's a red light on the dash that shows you. If you click that into place prematurely, even when the top is closed, that light will stay on and illuminated. So just an FYI. Let me turn the lights on. So power windows here, Tiptronic transmission with manual mode, upgraded sound system and choice of acoustics. It's pretty standard stereo stuff for Porsche. All the pixels are in place, everything's working, the air conditioning blows cold. The carbon fiber steering wheel, there is cracking on the steering wheel. This is very common in warmer climates. You know, so if this car was garage, but this would, you know, if it's sitting out in a parking lot, they just dry up and crack. I've got cruise control over here on the right, and then modification of cruise control on the left. Wipers on the left, blinkers on, or wipers on the right, blinkers on the left. You do have shift control here, so you have Tiptronic control here and here, so upshift, downshift. Trying to think what else. We have one master key and books for this car. The rest of it's pretty straightforward. I mean, they're mid-engine cars, and what's nice about this generation especially is You just have no electronics to worry about. This is all mechanical stuff. And that's really nice as far as cost of ownership. So there's the top. The top's in good shape. I mean, there's wear around the outside, but it looks like the glass is new. I think that's about it. Super clean, really good history. Great price point for what how much car you're buying. The Porsche engineering and driving experience for under $20,000 is great value. If you have questions or would like additional information, please feel free to contact us, and we can be reached at 503-227-2354. And thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast.